Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check internal storage total value in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to Samsung. Go to home screen and go to Samsung here and go to My Files and here click on internal storage. Okay, see here. Here total internal storage available is 128 GB. Okay, out of 128 GB 22.33 GB used. Okay, so in this way you can find out total internal storage. Okay, also you have other method. For that, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to device care, go to device care, and here you can see in the storage options 1.5 105.7 GB available out of 128 GB. So total internal storage will be 128 GB. So in this way you can easily check internal storage value by two methods. Okay, one method is going to the My Files and internal storage, another method is going to the device care and checking the internal storage total value. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.